Washed out pictures that look like nothing that you saw when working in Resolve? It's enough to make your blood boil. The dreaded gamma shift strikes again. I'm about to show you the exact steps that won't let this happen to you anymore. For Mac users, this has been a long-running nightmare, and it's about how QuickTime and ColorSync interpret video. There's some great technical deep dives on YouTube that explain everything better than the video professor. All monitors and TV screens are different, even these expensive ones. So that your video has a fighting chance in the real world, it's best to use a calibrated reference monitor. The best your pictures are ever going to look will be here. Now for the quickest band-aid fix. Just open your video in VLC. That's it. But there's a better way. One that lets you open your video in QuickTime natively, looking exactly as it intended. In Resolve, I've graded this gorgeous Hong Kong Star Ferry, shot on the FX6. And I want to export it so it matches perfectly. This tip works whether you're color grading or not, and it's about getting accurate exports every single time. Here are the 3 steps that give you brilliant results exporting from Resolve. Step 1, we head up to the Preferences menu, and in the General tab, we need to check 3 boxes. Use 10-bit precision for viewers if available, use Mac color profiles for viewers, automatically tag Rec 709 scene clips to Rec 709A. Hit the Save button. Resolve will ask you to restart for these changes to take effect. Step 2. In the Settings window, go to the Color Management tab. Make sure that this is set to DaVinci YRGB. Set your timeline color space to Rec 709A and your output color space to Rec 709A. Step 3. Finally, in the Deliver page, let's say I'm going to export an H.264 version of this clip. I want to set the format to QuickTime and codec to H.264. I'll set the quality to around 80,000 kilobits. Now here's the crucial part. In the Advanced settings, set the color space to same as project and the gamma tag to Rec 709A. Looking at this export, I'm really happy with it. And if we compare this to the standard Rec 709 2.4 workflow, this is a massive improvement. It looks just like it does in DaVinci Resolve. The real test is how it looks on YouTube. While the screen recording doesn't show it perfectly, with the naked eye, I was genuinely impressed with this export. Interestingly, if I open the Rec 709 clip in VLC, it's a lot darker. If this video has saved you from gamma shift headaches, smash the like button and subscribe for more. Our motto at the Video Professor is shoot, edit, deliver.